Hey, this is the Nature Made brand Choline. Now, this is going to be the extra strength, 800 milligrams. And on the package, they recommend a serving size that has 3 of these capsules. Now, it is known for, if you look on the label itself, it really talks a lot about memory, mood, and also muscle health. What I personally have been taking choline for is help with my gut health. And that's been working out well for me. Normally, if I'm having a hard time with the gut bacteria, or I need to like clean myself out a little bit as far as indigestion, this has really helped me with my gut health or gut related health issues. These are the size of the capsules. And like I said, the serving size is about 3 of these. This is about the size of the capsules. Definitely Nature Brand. What I like about is Nature Made is one of those popular brands, one of the staples in the industry as far as supplements. And this is a brand that I trust quite a bit. So this is why I chose this particular brand. And I talked a little bit about the gut health and the reason why I take choline. So if you're in the market, actually try some choline, try the Nature Made.